All right, guys, I'm out here with this me hung low. Me hung as low as you can go. JD20. I'm going to try to give it a little better chance. Now, the flips on this don't work, okay? I have a bad one to where both of the buttons cause the motor to fail or kill, and it just falls right out of the sky. So I'm not going to attempt any flips or anything like that. I just want to see if the battery will last a little longer flying it in a little bit warmer conditions, about 70 degrees in here. And it was, and I'm not turning the Wi-Fi on either. I'm thinking maybe the Wi-Fi camera affected the flying a little bit. So we'll just try to fly it without any of that, without the video going, and we'll just see how it acts, you know. Okay, that's the trim. Okay. I just want to see what the flight time's going to be in here. I don't want to drop it in the pool or anything. I just really got to trim this thing out, man. It really is... drifts around a lot. Wow, does this thing drift? I calibrated the compass. Okay, I think I might have it settled down now, for the most part anyway. I mean, when I had it outside, the battery life was only 5 minutes, so. But it was 30, I think it was 32 or 33 degrees. I mean, it should go more than 5 minutes. I mean, it's got an 800 in there, right? Okay, so it should go longer than that. I'm just going to go out and back here. I'm not doing anything crazy. Yeah, mine's just not a good one. It just doesn't feel right. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, who knows? I'm trying out the headless mode because I tried it when I was outside and it started going all crazy on me. Okay, seems to be working okay. Well, it seems to be flying a lot better in here than it did outside, I can tell you that. For sure. It still drifts a lot. You have to mess with the trim all the time. Yeah, when I tried the headless mode outside, it just started acting crazy. It's flying a lot better in here than it did outside, a lot better. Oh, there goes the battery. Let's keep it away from the pool. I'll put the flight time in there. It'll probably be more than it was when it was outside, that's for sure. All right, guys, there you have it. The Mi Hung Low JD20. Yeah, it flew better in here. Everybody says that it's a decent quad. Mine must just not got through the QC that good because the flips don't work and it's very erratic. I guess that's the word you would want to use. It's very erratic, and I don't know, maybe having the Wi-Fi. It did fly better than it did outside. Okay, so it flew better, no doubt about it. Outside, it was it flew very crazy. Like I think somebody left a comment, it was like in headless mode all the time, you know. So, all right, guys. That's the Mi Hung Low. Maybe I'll give it away. I don't think it's worth running over or any shit like that. So I'll probably just wind up doing a giveaway on it because I don't really want it, so I'm sure somebody else will enjoy it. All right, guys. Have a nice day.